All right, we have an update and a visual coming in from Guyana, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi presently is. In this visit to the Caribbean nations, it's the Indian diaspora's reference as well. Look at that, a beautiful visual of Prime Minister Modi offering prayers to Lord Shiva and performing a puja ceremony as well. This was his visit to the Saraswati Vidya Niketan Secondary School in Georgetown in Guyana, where he also mentioned it when he was speaking to the Indian diaspora. He made a mention to the Saraswati Vidya Niketan School. Remember that Indian diaspora, and this is, I'm talking about generations that have lived in Guyana now, their contribution, and look at that, where there are Indians and there are those from the Caribbean, there is a mention about the cricket world as well. So that was also a reference that was made. But taking a time off, and Prime Minister Modi has done this in the past few years, ever since his tenure started, about the visuals that have come in, that he goes to these temples, offers prayers, seeks blessings of the Almighty, and that in many ways has become, in fact, a more regular visual that we have seen from Prime Minister Modi's visits, not just across the country here, but in other global destinations. There will always be at least one temple that he has visited. This time, a Lord Shiva temple seeking prayers. This is at the Saraswati Vidya Niketan Secondary School.
I always call our diaspora the Rashtraduts. You are familiar with the word Rajdut, but for me, you are a Rashtradut. You are ambassadors of Indian culture and values. It is said that nothing can compare with the comfort of the mother's lap. You, the Indo-Guyanese community, are doubly blessed. You have Guyana as your motherland and Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata as your ancestral land. Today, when India is a land of opportunities, each one of you can play a bigger role in connecting our two countries.